Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today, guys?
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay.
Fine,
How are you
Miss.
Fine.
How
Okay.
about you?
I'm very well, thank you. So we are still waiting for. Okay. So from the titles, it's about describing animals. Do you know what is animals?
Binatang.
Binatang atau hewan yang lebih baiklah hewan ya. So in here we can see pets. You know pets? Pets. Ada yang tahu pets? What is the meaning of pets?
Peliharaan.
Hewan peliharaan. Yes, Kurnialisda, thank you. And wild animals. Wild animals. What is the meaning of wild? Wild itu apa? Liar, ya, taunya liar atau hewan buas. For example, what is the example of wild animals? Apa contohnya? Are wild animals. Ada juga zoo animals. Contohnya apa? What is it? Monkey. Ada apa lagi di zoo? Ada also lion. We can see some wild animals in the zoo. Kita bisa juga kadang lihat wild animals itu di dalam zoo. What is the meaning of zoo? Dimas, apa itu arti kata zoo? What is the meaning of zoo?
Kebun binatang, Miss.
Kebun binatang. Okay. And I want to ask Adis. Adis, do you have a pet?
Yes,
What is it?
cat.
Cat. Tell me more about your pet. Your cat. How many cat do you have? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4?
2.
2. Okay. Male or female? Atau boy or girl?
Boy or girl?
Boy and girl.
Yes.
Okay, there are 2. Okay. What about the color? What is the color of your cat?
White and black.
White and black. Okay. Nah, apa yang sudah Adis bilang tadi sebenarnya berkaitan sama yang akan kita pelajari, yaitu describing animals. Okay. In describing animals, we can say about the color and then the gender, boy or girl, and then the size, big or small. That's about describing animals a little bit, ya. Itu beberapanya. Langsung, so we go to the next slide. Sorry. Okay, now we are going to guessing game. Okay, can you guess who am I? I can climb. What is the meaning of climb? You know climb? Climb.
Manjat.
Manjat, yes. And then jump. You know jump?
Melompat.
So clever. You are so clever. I can climb and jump from one and another tree. Okay, from one or another tree. This is the tree, and then this animal could climb and jump from this tree to another tree. And I live on the trees in the jungle like your school. That's okay. Saya juga suka pisang. Yes, monkey. Udah kelihatan tadi kan? That's true. So, descriptive text itu banyak sekali jenisnya. There are some. Nah, today, hari ini we only learn about descriptive text in describing animals. Hanya untuk mendeskripsikan tentang hewan. Okay? Nah, ini basic competence-nya atau KD yang biasa kalian tahu KD, yaitu membedakan fungsi sosial dan menangkap bla bla bla. Can you read it? Menangkap makna kontekstual terkait fungsi sosial, struktur teks, unsur kebangsaan, dan yang lainnya. Oke, struktur kebahasaan, fungsi sosial, serta yang lainnya. Oke, do you understand? Nah,
Yes,
nanti ini learning objektifnya, nanti tujuannya, Miss mau menggunakan mind mapping. Apa? And then, nih, there are the point that we will discuss today, that we will learn today. The first one is about definition. A function, itu function apa tadi? Fungsi sosialnya ya. Social function of the descriptive text. Generic structure itu apa? Struktur teks. Struktur teks. Language feature, language bahasa. bentuk kebahasaan atau struktur kebahasaan.
Kebahasaan.
Kita akan menggunakan mind mapping. Apa itu mind mapping? Nanti kita diskusikan. Ini secara singkat, untuk menerangkan secara singkat saja bahwa definisi dari descriptive text is a text which shows what a person, animal, place, or a things is like. Sebenarnya ada 4 spesifik partisipan. Apa itu? Berarti hanya satu sesuatu yang harus kita jelaskan. And then number 2, the use of adjective. Adjective itu kata apa? What is the meaning of adjective? Kata benda? No.
Kata sifat.
Kata sifat. What is it? The basic knowledge of adjective, as I said before, adjective itu yang ada antonimnya secara simpel ya. For example, handsome, Dimas handsome, right? And then ada kata sifatnya antonimnya. What is the antonym of handsome?
Ugly.
Ugly. Big, you know big? What is the meaning of big? Besar. And then the antonym is small. What is the meaning of small? Small. Yes. Ada big and small. And then handsome and ugly. Okay. Long and short. I can be like that. And the use of simple present. Ya, selalu menggunakan kata simple present. Penggunaan to be, is, am, are, has, have, dan yang lainnya. And etc. Okay. And then action verb. Action verb itu kata kerja yang memperlihatkan aktivitas. For example, run. What is the meaning of run?
Berlari.
Yes. Walk.
Berjalan.
Yes, berjalan. It's the example, okay? We only discuss the language feature of descriptive text about animals, only about adjective and also action verb, okay? Bukan verb bacanya, verb, okay? Nanti Miss kirim linknya. Ini namanya mind mapping ya. Oke. Like. Cari tadi apa? For big legs. Oke, keisi dia di sini. Oke. You only choose the provided words. Hanya pilih kata-kata yang sudah ada di dalam teks itu. Oke, Miss stop you into several groups. Miss bagi dulu grupnya.
Yang nomor 1, ears-nya, kupingnya,
Big.
telinga.
Yang satu orang lihat teksnya ya. Satu ada yang pakai HP, satu lagi kan lihat teksnya, boleh. Biar yang satu bantuin untuk masukin ke learning apps-nya.
Oh my God, sinyal.
Okay, now it's time to present. Okay. Presentasikan, yes, about the functions and also the generic structure of the text. Okay, the time is yours. Who will be present from your group? Siapa yang akan mempresentasikan dari grupnya?
Andina Yani, Miss.
Andina or Andina? Okay, Andina. Okay, Andina, time is yours. Okay, can you see Andina? Udah kelihatan Andinanya semuanya, teman-teman?
Dah.
Okay.
Mulai, Miss.
Yes, this time is yours.
Okay. Hello guys, good morning.
Hello. Morning.
So in this occasion, I want to present you about the function and generic structure of the text elephant. I come from group A with member 1 Gea Ananda, 2 Andina Hayani, 3 Putri Azaria, and 4 Asmaria. So I wanna read a text. Elephant is one of the biggest animal in world. Elephant live in the forest.
Please.
Highly or mountains area. Elephant belong to herbivora. The paragraph is the identification about elephant. Elephants have a big bodies. They weigh up to 4,000 kilograms. Their skin is thick and
Pardon?
tough.
5.400. What is in English of 5.400?
5,400
100.
kilograms.
1,400 kilograms.
Their skin is thick and tough. They have 4 big legs, a long trunk, small eyes, 2 long tusks, and big ears.
Is it enough? What is the function of the text? Apa fungsi dari teksnya?
Untuk menjelaskan, menggambarkan, atau mengungkapkan
In English?
seorang
In English?
hewan ataupun suatu benda.
Nah, itu deskripsi yang sudah dijelaskan tadi. Give applause for group 1, silahkan. Give applause. And now group 2 is Ike's group. Ike, Nani, Dian, Arifa. Now you have to present about the language features. Okay, language features, kebahasaannya only about adjective and action verb-nya. Okay. Now the time is yours. Who will be present? Siapa yang akan jadi presenternya? Come on, the time is yours.
Come from group X. We'll talk about language features. Jadi, language features yang dipakai di descriptive text kali ini itu ada 3. 1, simple present tense. 2, action kata kerja. 3, yaitu sifat. Nah, we only will tell you about 2 points, yaitu action verb and adjective. Let's see the text. 1, action. Some of the verb are
Okay.
okay.
Now go to the last group. Will be present about the mind mapping. Okay. Time is yours. The last group.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, I come from group 3. I want to present about the result of the discussion about mind mapping of descriptive text about 11. Di sini, di mind mapping ini, make us lebih mudah dalam memahami teks because we can put the point of the text in the mind mapping. Okay, for example, the text 11, life in the forest, hilly and mountainous. Kita buat mind mappingnya. Life, terus di cabangnya 3. Tree, di cabangnya 3, forest, hilly, mountainous. Yang pertama, elephant have big body. Okay, we make the mind mapping. Body, terus cabangnya big. Okay. I think that about presentation. Thank you.
Okay. Menjawab pertanyaan ini. Berguna atau tidak?
Yes.
Miss kasih link lagi seperti tadi. Ini linknya. Nanti two. The first one is
Identification.
and the second is
Description.
description. Today, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. You can
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
bisa
wabarakatuh.
digunakan di roomnya.